Hey, thanks for stopping by the Brew City Gardener channel. Hey, my name's Opie. It's a pleasure to meet you. Here at the Brew City Garden, we love to try all different types of gardening styles. But what we're really good at is straw bale gardening. So stick around. If you want to learn how to turn this into this, hit that subscribe button because we're going to go through the whole process step by step from start to finish. And I guarantee you're going to learn a lot and you're going to grow an awesome garden just like this one. Now I'll show you everything from sourcing your bales to conditioning so that you get great growth all the way to harvest. And if you pair up my videos with the Facebook group, the Global Straw Bale Gardeners Collective, it's a wealth of information that's going to set you well on your way to an outstanding garden now and for years to come. Hey, make sure you join us, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. That'll notify you every time a new video comes out and you won't miss a thing. So thanks again for stopping by the Brew City Garden and joining the community as the newest member of the Brew crew. And until next time, we'll see ya.